Markets end in the negative terrain today, and clearly, if you see in terms of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, it was an absolute interesting session because the decline has come in after two sessions of gains. Overall, in terms of the Nifty as well, we've ended actually below the 19,100 mark. And you have Bank Nifty, which has ended below the 43,000 level. Sensex as well, we've seen cuts coming in there below the 64,000 mark that we saw. RIL, ICICI Bank, as well as M&M were the top contributors in terms of the drag in today's session. Overall, the key event now everyone is eyeing is the interest rate decision by the US Federal Reserve, which is a day later. So that will be interesting to watch out for. This nervousness and this slight bit of, downtick that could continue as well. Let's quickly look at few of the stock-specific action that we've seen, as well as sector-specific. Real estate sector advanced, while shares of auto were the ones that were under pressure in today's session. Overall, if you go to see very quickly in terms of, the mid-cap index, that was one of the top gainers with gains of 0.4% coming in there, and the pharma pack was the top loser as well. In terms of movers, SBI Life, HDFC Life. So life insurance players saw some momentum. Titan, Asian Paints, and Kotak Mahindra Bank were up in trade, whereas on the losing end, Sun Pharma ahead of numbers tomorrow. The stock was trading under pressure. M&M Aisha Motors is also seeing some bit of nervousness ahead of the auto sales numbers that will start trickling in tomorrow. LTI, Mindtree, ONGC were a few of the other names. Urban saw some smart moves today on the back of earnings. NIIT again was up in trade on the back of earnings. Rainbow was under pressure. DCM, Shriram was one of the newsmakers. Z Entertainment on the back of the SAT order saw some 5% up move in today's session. DCX Systems was up in trade on the back of earnings. Blue Star advanced over 9% on the back of the profit surge, as well as a GET&T got an order worth 500 crores on the back of which we did see some smart moves. So overall, yes, a lot of movers and shakers that were there in the market today, but clearly the action has been slightly negative. The mid-cap index outperformed the benchmark indices with gains of 0.3%, whereas the small-cap index ended flat. But this nervousness will continue, taking into consideration what comes out of the US FOMC, because, again, the commentary from Bank of Japan was kind of inconsequential, so no major reactions that did come out from there.